PC problems. We've all had them, but in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get rid of all of those PC problems, even if it looks like this. All you're gonna need is a Files Explorer and a mouse. That's all you're gonna need, trust me. For your information, this is satire. Obviously, none of this works. Okay, now that we got that clear, on with the video. So, it is super easy to do. All you need to do is navigate over to your control panel in your Files Explorer. Where is that at? I don't know. Find it. Anyway, so you're going to see your CPU and GPU here. And it's so easy to actually upgrade your stuff. See, all you got to do... Here, let me make this bigger so that way y'all can see this. All you got to do is you make a text document, write the GPU you want or you need, and then you put it here. Now, let's say you need some bug fixes, like you want ray tracing, even though your RTX 4070 should already have ray tracing. But let's say you want that. Or hell, you want to put ray tracing on your other GPU. Well, you literally just type ray tracing. It's so unbelievably easy. You want an FPS fix? Well, you just gotta set your FPS cap. So we're gonna put this as 9999. That's a lot more nines than I just said. Anyway, so yeah, it's pretty easy. This is all you gotta do. So there might be another thing where, regardless of your GPU and CPU, you just have a hard time actually downloading things in a timely manner. And of course, I got the fix for that. So you're gonna need to make an entirely new folder. Or, yeah, I have to make a folder because I don't deal with this problem, but I'm gonna make it just to show you. So basically, you're gonna put speed as it. Alright? And what do? We make another folder. You can't just make a text document and expect it to work. That's not how things work, guys. Anyway, so what we're going to do here is DPS. Obviously, this stands for download speed. Yeah. Anyway, so you move it into here, your speed folder. Once again, let's make this bigger so that way your eyes can actually see this. And then, what you're going to do, you put a text document, and guess what? We're going to set the max speed. We're going to do a steady 800 megabytes per second. Actually, nah. Gigabytes per second. Yep, plop that in there, and it should work. Now, there's a lot more things you can do in here. Like, obviously, you're going to need a Wi-Fi subscription, and you don't want to pay Wi-Fi. Well, in your speed folder, just kidding, you have to go back a folder and you make another one. Because you can't shove everything into one folder, guys. Anyway, you're going to call this Wi-Fi. And then, what do? I need you to guess. Do you make a text document or a folder? Go on, guess. No, I'm going to stop the music. Guess. Guess. Right now. Guess. I want you to guess. Because you make a shortcut. Anyway, so here's the... Hold on. Alright, so after setting up your file path, all you need to do is just name the shortcut to free and fast internet. So you need to be very specific about this, because if you... Obviously, you could put slow and stupid internet, but who would want to do that, right? Anyways, so you hit finish. Obviously, you got it right there. Plop it in there. Okay? And then what we got to do is we make a text document. Confirm. Plop this in here. And bada bing bada boom, everything's set up. You should be able to run GTA 6 at this rate when it ever comes out. Oh yeah, so by the way, here's a free way to get GTA. So I can't actually tell you about that last part because that's... Yeah, so anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If y'all want more tutorials like this, or y'all have something to correct me about, then leave a like, leave in the comments, do whatever. Preferably something good. Actually, how about you have this video on repeat? Like, in the background. Just have it on repeat. Actually, I'm trying to get that watch time, bro.